Hey guys, Terry here. I recently was at the store and saw this embossing folder organizer. It's from Recollections. I got it at Michael's. I think Recollections is their brand name. And I previously had been storing my embossing folders. If you haven't seen embossing folders before, the idea is that you put a piece of paper inside here. Put it in here and then fold it, and then you put it through your die press machine, your Big Shot or your Cuttlebug, and then the paper becomes both embossed and debossed with the shape that was on this embossing folder. So I currently have them just stored in a box, and it's worked okay. I have to flip through them. I've got them labeled on cardboard here just to show the different descriptions. Some of them are hard to describe, but whether they're flowers or Christmas or dog or circles or dots, so on and so forth, I've got them labeled that way. So I thought I would give this folder a try. On the package it says that it holds 40 of them. Looks pretty well made. The plastic is kind of sticking to itself. It's got a handle. It zippers shut. I like the zipping shut part. So I think I like this idea because I could take them on a crop. I think it's going to be easier to flip through this book than it is to flip through this box. So let's see if they fit. Okay. So those ones fit. I've got some that are a little bit wider. I can't remember the name. I don't know if this is Lawn Fawn. I forget who makes this. This one's a little bit wider, so maybe I'll have to see what I do to put the wider ones in. But I'm liking the idea that it would be easy to flip through all the pages. You know, when they're in the box, it's hard to see them. And in this book, they would be. I like that the pages are black. And you can see them pretty well. They seem to slide in and out well. So they're made just perfect size for those. So I like it. I like it. Again, this was Recollections embossing folder organizer. I want to say it was $20 and I had a 40% off coupon. So I like it. I think it's going to be a good way to organize embossing folders. Thanks, guys.